This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lexus GX470 maintenance light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off. Locate the trip odometer reset button, which is typically found near the instrument cluster. This button will be crucial for the entire process. Make sure the display shows the total mileage, or ODO, before proceeding to the next step. This initial setup is important for a successful reset. With the ignition off, press and hold the trip odometer reset button firmly. While continuing to hold this button, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position. It is important not to start the engine, just turn the key to the position where the dashboard lights illuminate. Keep the button pressed down throughout this step, as releasing it too early will interrupt the reset sequence. As you continue to hold the trip odometer reset button with the ignition in the on position, you will notice the maintenance light begin to flash. Keep holding the button until the odometer display changes to 000000. This sequence indicates that the maintenance light reset is in progress. Once you see the 6 zeros, you can then release the trip odometer reset button, signifying the completion of the reset procedure. After releasing the button, turn the ignition off, then start your engine to confirm that the maintenance light has successfully turned off. If the light remains on, simply repeat these steps from the beginning. You've successfully reset your maintenance light. Now, you're ready to hit the road with peace of mind, knowing your service reminder is clear. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring smart home convenience and amazing sound into your space, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.